Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about alternators. Some of you already know I got that 240SX that you have a LS swap, you have a LS1 in it, and I've been having issues with alternators for about 3 years now. And I already knew these, but I never give it a thought. I just keep replacing them. They were lifetime warranty, so I just took them out, take them to the store, they give me another one, and repeat the process. These alternators, they last me about 6 months. It don't matter what brand. I have all different kind of brands, from Bosch to AC Delco, whatever you mention it. 6 months was the most that I have for these alternators, and they all go out the same way. I rev the engine one time really hard, and the battery light came on, and that's it. Alternator left the shop, it's gone. So eventually I got tired of it, and I asked the question on one of the 240 pages, and I think it was Nathaniel from Nathan or Nathaniel, sorry if I'm messing up your name, but yeah, it's from a 240SX page, LSX swap, and he was the one that sent me the link. And I already been hearing this for years, but I never care about it. So what it is, this is how we fix it. This is a Motion Raceworks Overdrive pulley, and they have different sizes. So this one is about 3 inches, and the factory one is about 2 inches and a quarter. So pretty much the reason why they getting burnout is your engine is spinning too fast for the alternator. So by putting a different pulley, then that's it. That's how you will fix your alternator problem. Again, if you don't have no problem with your alternator, or if you already knew this, then this video is not for you. I know that it might seem common sense to some of us, but a lot of people out there, they don't know, trust me. So this might help them out. This pulley is like $80, I think, from the website, and it's not pressed or anything. All it is a I think it's a 24 millimeter knot and a pressure washer, and you take those off, the pulley will come out. Just gotta make sure that you measure the OE pulley before you take it out. That way you can have a comparison when you put the other one in, because it's not gonna be the same length or thickness. So once you measure it, the pulley itself will come with 2 different washers, 2 different sizes, and you pretty much have to play with the washers until you get the measurement that you had before. Once you got it in, then put the pressure washer, put the nut back in, and that's it. I mean, easy solution, cheap, and you can stop replacing alternators every 5 to 6 months like I did. So yeah, very short, very simple. I hope this helped you out. I know it's gonna help me out because I'm tired of replacing alternators. Like I say, I have replaced about 6 of them already, and I just give up replacing them. So I decided to find the solution, and that's it. So yeah, I'll see you around.